Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Tradingview dashboard. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is to select the dashboard option. So just select the dashboard option from the menu, and this is going to take you to the dashboard page where you can create and manage dashboards. Now the step 2 is to create a new dashboard, of course. So just go ahead and create a new dashboard and give it a name, and you can choose from various dashboard types, including charts, alerts, and news. Step 3 is to add widgets. So you want to go ahead and add widgets to your dashboard. You can choose from various widgets, including charts, indicators, and news feeds. The fourth and final step is to customize your dashboard. So customize your dashboard by adjusting the layout and the settings, and you can always add custom widgets and integrations. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a Tradingview dashboard. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys